guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a big wing on the Genesis. I've been waiting to install this one. It's been waiting for a while since I've been away, but I'm gonna get to installing that right now. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright, so what we have here in this big box is a big wing, and this is some of the hardware that I'm going to use to install it. I'm not going to be using all of the bolts that they supplied because I'm going to be using some nutserts to install the wing on the trunk. So I'm going to unbox it first, and then I'll get to removing the lip that's on the back here along with the badge. So let's get to that. Alright, so this is what you get after you open the box. So you get the mounts that goes on the trunk, and you have the end plates, the hardware, the stand, and the wing itself. Unfortunately, I have some damage on it, so I have some here, but the worst piece is right here. So I'm gonna have to get that repaired or something. Yeah. Oh well, it's okay for now. So what I noticed so far is that the holes are marked, but they're not drilled out. So you can see that. So I'm gonna have to drill out the holes. Before I do that, I'm gonna remove the lip on the back here along with the coupe, the little coupe badge. Right here. So I'll get to doing that. So just got the wing off and realized that the car this trunk, I should say, used to be blue. I mean, it doesn't bother me as much because I'm gonna be wrapping it, but yeah, it's gonna be like this for a little bit. And I'm gonna have to fill in those holes where the little wing came off. Now to get this emblem off, and then I'm gonna use an eraser wheel to get rid of all the glue that's here, and then we'll get to assembling the wing. Alright, so got it off. Took some paint with it, but yeah, should be good to go now. I'm gonna drill the holes for these and then assemble the wing and then mock it up over here. So the camera turned off, I didn't notice, but assembled the wing partially. It's not fully tightened on yet, and then I taped up the trunk in the area that I think the base of the wing is going to sit, and then I'm going to trace it out and mark the holes and then drill the holes to bolt it in. So you'll see me doing that. Alright, so this is where I'm going to be using some nutserts. What I'm going to be using is a M6. So got a whole bag of these. And so I'm going to end up drilling these holes a bit bigger so that I can fit these in. And then I'm going to bolt the wing or the wing plates back up to the trunk. So now that I widened the holes, I can show you that nutserts slide right in. Same on the other side. And before I do anything else, I'm gonna spray some of this to help prevent any rust from forming. So I'm gonna go do that now, and then I'll continue after. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry for a bit, then remove the tape. Then I'm gonna use the nutsert gun to put the nutserts in, and then bolt the mounting plates up. So I'll let the paint dry for a bit. Now I'm gonna get to doing the whole nutsert thing. So I have a nutsert gun. I'm gonna put the M6 nut in the hole, like so. Squeeze the handles, and then get to doing that. Look at this guy. I have nothing better to do, eh? Alright, so I mounted the mounts here. It's under solid. Yeah, so inserted the nutserts and then bolted it in. And now gonna attach the wing. So here we go. Alright guys, so wing is all mounted now. Whoa! Jeez, this thing is massive. So, this is what it looks like. My goodness. Yeah, so this is the damage I was showing you guys earlier. Doesn't look horrible, but see if I could get someone to fix this or something. Not bad. So that's it for the install. As you can see, looks pretty good. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'll leave a sneak peek for what's coming next.